a rare blend of seclusion, natural beauty, and outdoor freedom. Enjoy panoramic views of Mount McLoughlin and the surrounding mountains, all from your own 53-acre retreat rich in wildlife and outdoor adventure. The home is light, bright, and easy to maintain. Large windows capture the views in every direction, while the simple, efficient layout makes daily living a breeze. Whether you're looking to homestead, raise animals, or just enjoy a slower pace, the opportunity is great. With a new barn and usable land, the possibilities are wide open. With direct access to hundreds of acres of public lands, your backyard becomes a gateway to hiking, hunting, riding, and more. Close to the Rogue River, nearby lakes, and just 22 miles from the Medford Airport. For those seeking space, privacy, and a deeper connection to the outdoors, this is a rare opportunity to bring that vision to life. Right here in Southern Oregon.